I'm Josh from Vacuums R Us in Colorado, and I'm going to talk to you about this central vacuum hose that is no longer, the wand is no longer staying connected to the hose. When you push it back and forth, the wand slides off. This also applies to a lot of different canister vacuum cleaners where you put your wand on, you start to push it back and forth, it falls off. All right, before we start this repair, disclaimer time. This video is for informational purposes only. These repairs should only be done by factory authorized technicians in vacuum stores. If something goes wrong here, I am not responsible for any issues that might arise. If the vacuum becomes sentient and eats your cat, not our problem. Seriously though, watch the entire video. A lot of these repairs are very difficult. Make sure you're confident in performing this repair before you start, because the last thing in the world you want to do is take this machine apart and then bring it into a repair shop because you couldn't complete the repair. Many repair shops, like ours, will not accept machines once they've been messed around with. So make sure you can do this before you start, because you're in it to win it. So a lot of you don't realize that you are missing a piece. So there should be, right here where you see this empty hole, there should be a button that pops through there, a little metal tab that will pop through there. And then when your wand goes over there, that tab will push up into a hole that's in your wand and keep your wand locked in. And usually when this goes missing, you never realize it was there to begin with. And a lot of times people just have no idea that there was a little button there. So if you have a hole here on your central vac or on your canister, your Kenmore or whatever, your canister vacuum, you got a hole sitting there, you're probably missing your button, and that's why your wand's falling off. This little tiny leaf spring with that little button on it will fix that. That's probably what originally was in it. You just squeeze that and you push it in until that little metal button pops up through that hole. And you have to put it in straight. You got to keep it going straight as you put it in to get it to pop through there. There we go. All right. So now we see we have that little button. And the spring, that little kind of leaf spring thing, is what makes it pop up and down. So now when your wand goes on, this will pop into the hole in your wand and keep it locked in place. And that's it. I'll link to the product below. It's super, super, super easy. And as you can see, they're typically not actually attached, so it's not unusual that you push on it hard enough and you can have the thing fall off or break off. So easy fix.